So, hi ladies, as far as I know, one of the most popular women's pant style is flared and patched wide leg jeans. They are one of a kind pants which can be worn on any occasion. You can wear them with an off shoulder top or with a crop top. However you choose to wear them, it's your choice. You are sure to get compliments when you wear flared and patched wide leg jeans. If you are looking to buy flared and patched wide leg jeans, then you will find all your favorite jeans in this video. You can find different style of flared and patched wide leg jeans outfits that you can choose from. And if you like my video, then subscribe, like and comment. So let's get started. These are some flared jeans outfits. Patched wide leg jeans outfits.